purchase it. Number 3 is Flashforge Dreamer 3D Printer. Are you looking to embark on an extraordinary journey of turning your wildest dreams into tangible realities? Then the Flashforge Dreamer 3D Printer is the ultimate companion for your Mac. Prepare to dive into a world of boundless creativity and endless possibilities. Feast your eyes on the Dreamer's sleek, robust high-end plastic alloy body and frame. It's not just a printer, it's a masterpiece in itself. And let's not forget the brilliant 3.5-inch HD IPS touchscreen, an enchanting gateway to your imagination, where your designs come to life with a simple touch. Now, let's talk about the true magic of the Dreamer, the enclosed chamber. This magnificent feature provides a haven for your prints and creates an insulated wonderland, guaranteeing flawless masterpieces every time. Bid farewell to those frustrating print failures. Brace yourself for the awe-inspiring duo of FlashPrint, the printer's self-developed software, and the compatibility with slick 3-air slicing. Seamlessly transform your visions into reality with these powerful tools at your disposal. But the Dreamer's greatness doesn't stop there. You'll be pampered with a full manufacturer's warranty fulfilled by Flashforge Amazon, ensuring peace of mind and expert support. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.